Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's making a great night, folks. Let's hope that snow melts quick for all you folks up north. Serve the one you love. That snow's going to be coming in tomorrow night and Saturday, folks. Once you decide to be a couple, you're there to serve the one you love, to serve your love to your lover. At every kiss and every touch, you feel you're there to please the one you love without expecting anything back. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 240, NASDAQ up 34, S&P's up 16.5. Percentage-wise, what you have up here, Dow Industrials up 1%, NASDAQ up 0.4, S&P up 0.8. Jobs numbers tomorrow, folks. You can expect volatility out here in the AM big time. No two ways about that. Not that we haven't had volatility. If we do take a look at that VIX, the VIX has calmed down. VIX has gone from price point, we're at 1865, and what you're going to see, bottom line, is that at the beginning of the week, we're at 25. So we're going down from 1865 to 25. With this one, top side was at 1812. So it's going to be intriguing to see how it gets back into the 1812 level. That was the low of March 22nd. That's how that baby is shaking out. Gold contract down $10.40. Trading $13.29. Now, gold going into its March swing level has lighter volume. Bottom line, held price. That being said, guess what? Notes, bonds, currencies, metals, high volatility tomorrow morning in a big way. Silver. Let's go take a look at the silver market because we had divergence out here. They whacked silver yesterday, end up hitting gold, but gold was flat. Yesterday, silver was down. Bottom line, gold was up. Now, silver not only saved itself today, but might have saved the whole metals market. And this is what silver did. Silver got down to a price point of $16.15. We did 73,000 contracts. So 73,000 contracts, that's light contract volume. You're going into the strength that silver had on the 21st of March. 21st of March, we did 112,000 contracts. This is a big number, folks. This is a beauty the way this thing's set up, actually. So volatility, and it's going to be there. King Dollar. What do we have with King Dollar? King Dollar is just laying out here, wanting to get up and hang with its friend. It's one friend. King Dollar only has one friend, folks, and that friend happens to be March 1st high. The March 1st high is 90.490. That's 90 point, almost, another half a penny. We're at 90.155. We closed at that level. Bottom line, looks like it wants to get hit. That being said, this is where it broke down from when we broke down on the 12th of January. That's when basically went down to the next level, lower level. We went from 91.235 to 91.230. That's a full point. That is one big number. There's no two ways about that. Some of the higher volume stocks out here. This is what we have happening. You have GE. Up 15 cents. Facebook up 4.24. We had Tesla up $18.78. Let's go over to Tesla first. Take a look at Tesla. What we have with Tesla, Tesla in 3 days just went from 244 to 305. Bottom line is that you were right at the level where we actually broke down from. So in Tesla's case, this is going to be a big day out here tomorrow also, because when you take a look at Tesla, it had broken out of its range last week. The range that we're talking about, it had been in that range since April of 2017. Broke out of it, has volume at the lows. That's telling me that we're going to be back to those lows. But guess what? We'll find out whether we're going to get back inside Tesla. And Tesla does have one out of almost every 4 shares shorted. And I'm sure that that was a lot of that moving topside, because once the stock can get going, topside, and you had, in this case, a 22% short interest, it doesn't take much to really get it up and going. Let's go over to the 20-year bond fund plus. That's going to be moving out here tomorrow. Today, it traded down 90 cents. You're trading into 12.1 1 million, you only did 7.5. So bottom line, bonds, notes, TLT, they all look like they want higher price, and this is going to be pretty wild. The 10-year yield right now, 2.830. The high for the year is 2.950. And the Fed continues to tell us that, yes, they're going to go up at short-term rates. That being said, when you do take a look at the note, bond, TLT market, what you're going to see is that we've been consolidating, and we've been consolidating since February 1st. You know, we hit the lows in this market on February 15th. You come off the market, the real question is going to be, at this particular point, was that a dead cat bounce? Or, in fact, and I think we're going to learn a lot tomorrow, are the bond bears basically ready to pounce on the jobs report? And I would say yes, because the bottom line is that fundamentally what comes out at that jobs report is going to be a big deal. There's no two ways about that. If jobs go through the moon, bottom line, that is going to be saying that the Fed is going to have more pressure to raise rates quicker than they're telling us they want to raise them right now. If we do take a look at the percentages out here, so what you have is this. The next meeting is May 2nd. May 2nd, you have a 27% chance that they're going to raise short-term rates. The next one that goes over 50% is on June 13th. June 13th is a 60% chance right now that they'll raise short-term rates, which totally makes sense. And other than that, the rest of the year, bottom line, it really, let's see, you get in September, the highest is 44%. You know, but these numbers, they can change very quickly, and they will change tomorrow, by the way. They'll change very quickly tomorrow. And the numbers that I was just giving you is the Fed Fund Futures probability rate. That is a tradable vehicle, folks. Professionals are trading off of that rate as to suspecting whether rates are going to go up or down on a very near-term basis. The NQs out here, the NASDAQ 100, that baby was weak out here today. What you had with the NQs, NQs got all the way up to they almost got to the highs of the 29th. Yeah, they did, and they failed. So here you go, they failed. 66.53, bottom line, they failed. You still got an ABC structure down inside the Qs, inside the S&Ps, inside the SMHs. Coming right back, folks.